Good morning, Leo. I am here for the first check of my car.
Hello, Emma. Welcome to the garage. Your new car looks very clean.
Thank you. It is a full electric model. I have many questions today.
I'm happy to help. Electric cars are very different from gas cars.
I do not hear any noise when I start the engine. Is that normal?
Yes, it's perfectly normal. Electric motors are very quiet.
My old car was very loud. This silence is a bit strange for me.
You will love it in the city. It is very peaceful for the driver.
Do I need to change the oil every 6 months now?
No, this car does not use oil. There are no pistons or valves.
That is amazing news. I always forgot to change the oil.
You save a lot of money on service. There are fewer moving parts.
What about the liquid for the glass? I can see the tank here.
Yes, you still need washer fluid for the windshield. I will fill it.
The tank is very small. Is it easy to open the cap?
It is very easy. Just pull this blue lever.
I see orange cables under the hood. Are they dangerous for me?
Those are high voltage cables. Please do not touch them.
I will be very careful. I only want to add the water.
Good. Safety is the most important thing with electric power.
I noticed a small yellow light on the screen this morning.
Let me check the system. I have my diagnostic tablet here.
Is it a big problem with the battery? I am a bit worried.
No, it is just a reminder for the tire pressure.
The tires look full to me. Why is the light on?
The air pressure changes when the weather gets cold.
I understand now. I will check the pressure every month.
That is a very good habit for a new driver.
Let us look at the charging port now. I have a question.
Of course, let us walk to the side of the car.
I have 2 different plugs here. Why are they different?
The small one is for home charging. It is very slow.
I use it every night in my garage. It takes 10 hours.
The large one is for fast charging stations on the highway.
How fast is the fast charger? I have a long trip tomorrow.
It can charge 80% in 30 minutes. It is very efficient.
That is enough time for a cup of coffee and a sandwich.
Exactly. You rest and the car gets the energy.
Is it safe to charge the car when it is raining outside?
Yes, the system is waterproof. You are completely safe.
I am always afraid of electricity and water together.
Engineers designed many layers of protection for this port.
Should I wait for the battery to be 0%?
No, it is better to charge between 20 and 80%.
Will the battery last for 10 years? It is very expensive.
Most batteries work well for a very long time.
I want to keep this car for a long period.
Then do not use fast chargers every day. Use them for trips.
Slow charging at home is better for the battery health.
You are correct. It keeps the battery cool and happy.
I see a green light near the plug now. Is it finished?
Yes, the green light means the connection is active and safe.
The cable is quite heavy. I need 2 hands to hold it.
It is heavy because of the thick copper wires inside.
I feel like a scientist in a laboratory with this car.
Smiling, welcome to the future of transport, Emma.
I am learning so much today. Thank you for your patience.
You are a very good student. Technical details are important.
Let us check the brakes now. Do they need service?
We will look at them, but they last a very long time. Your brake pads look almost new. How many miles did you drive?
I drove 5,000 miles. Why are they not old?
Electric cars use the motor to slow down. It is regenerative braking.
Does that mean the motor creates energy when I stop?
Yes, the energy goes back into your battery. It is very smart.
So I can save my brakes and charge my battery at the same time.
Precisely. You only use the mechanical brakes for a full stop.
That is a great feature. My old car needed new brakes every year.
Here, you only need to change the brake fluid every 2 years.
Now look at the tires. They are very large and heavy.
These are special tires for electric cars. They are extra strong.
Why do they need to be extra strong for this car?
The battery makes the car very heavy. Normal tires wear out fast.
I see. The weight of the car is a big factor for the tires.
Also, these tires are very quiet on the road.
I want to keep the silence inside the car. It is very nice.
Check the tread depth of the tires every season.
I have a small tool for that in my glove box.
Use it to stay safe during the rainy autumn days.
Is the suspension different in this model too?
It is reinforced to support the heavy battery pack.
The car feels very stable when I take a turn.
That is because the heavy battery is at the bottom of the car.
The center of gravity is very low. It feels like a sports car.
You are right. It is very balanced and safe for the family.
I am glad I chose this model for the city.
It is the best choice for a modern city life.
Let us go inside. I want to see the software update.
I will connect my computer to the main screen now.
Is it like updating a smartphone or a laptop?
Yes, your car is basically a computer on wheels.
The screen says a new version of the map is available.
I am downloading the new maps and the battery management update.
Will the update make the battery last longer?
Sometimes it improves the efficiency by 5%.
That is very useful for my long trips to the mountains.
I am also updating the autopilot sensors. They are more accurate now.
I use the autopilot on the highway. It is very helpful.
Always keep your hands on the wheel. The car still needs you.
I know. It is an assistant, not a real driver.
The update will take about 15 minutes to install.
Can I use the radio while the system is updating?
No, the whole system must be quiet during the process.
I will wait here. I can read my book on the phone.
Look at the progress bar on the big screen.
It is at 40% now. It is quite fast.
I am also checking the security of the car's network.
Can someone hack my car from the internet?
It is very difficult. We have many layers of digital firewalls.
I feel very safe with all this technology around me.
My job is to keep the software and the hardware perfect.
Do you like fixing electric cars more than gas cars?
It is different. I use a laptop more than a wrench now.
You are a digital mechanic. It is a very cool job.
Thank you. I like to learn new things every day.
The screen says, "Update complete. System is restarting."
Now the car has the latest features from the factory.
The colors on the map look much brighter now.
They also added a new voice for the navigation system.
I will test it on my way home. I am curious.
Let us check the air filter for the cabin.
Is it under the seats or behind the screen?
It is behind the glove box. It is easy to change.
I want the air inside to be very clean.
This is a HEPA filter. It removes all the dust and pollen.
That is perfect for my allergies in the spring.
I will install a fresh one for you today.
Thank you. Does it have a special smell?
No, it is neutral. It just keeps the air fresh.
I also need to check the lights. The front ones are LED.
LED lights last forever. You do not need to change bulbs.
That is another thing I do not need to worry about.
Electric cars are designed to be very low maintenance.
I love the large glass roof. It makes the cabin very bright.
It is special glass. It blocks the heat from the sun.
So the car stays cool even in the hot summer.
Yes, and you use less energy for the air conditioning.
I am learning that every detail helps to save energy.
Efficiency is the most important word for an electric car.
My phone is connected to the car app now.
Can you see the battery level on your phone?
Yes, it says 82%. It's very convenient.
You can also start the heater from your phone in winter.
That is wonderful. I hate sitting in a cold car.
The car will be warm and ready when you walk outside.
I feel like I'm living in a science fiction movie.
For me, this is just a normal Tuesday in the garage.
You are used to all these miracles, Leo.
I am finished with the internal inspection. Everything is perfect.
I am ready to drive now. Let's do the final paperwork.
I am signing the service book on my tablet now.
Will you send the digital copy to my email address?
Yes, it is already in your inbox. Please check your phone.
I see it. Service complete. Status excellent.
I also gave you a small cleaning cloth for the screen.
That is very kind. The screen gets many fingerprints.
Use the cloth without water. It is safe for the glass.
Do I need to come back in 6 months or 1 year?
See you in 1 year for a general inspection.
Only once a year? That is a very long time.
Yes, just enjoy the drive and charge the battery.
I have my long trip tomorrow. I am very excited.
Remember to plan your charging stops on the map.
The car shows me all the stations on the route.
It even tells you if the station is busy or free.
This car is smarter than I am sometimes.
It is a partner for your travels. Have a safe journey.
Thank you for all your technical help, Leo.
You're welcome. Drive slowly and enjoy the silence.
I will. I feel very confident about my car now.
Your car is in top condition. There is nothing to worry about.
I am putting my seatbelt on. The seat is very comfortable.
Have a great day, Emma. See you next year.
Goodbye, Leo. Have a busy day in the garage.
The garage is always busy with new technology.
It is so quiet. I love it.
Goodbye. Safe travels.
Bye-bye. See you later.